Recently, I've been approached by Trader Central Fund, who have offered to share with me an account challenge in exchange for a review. In this video, I'm going to share with you an honest review of Trader Central Fund, as well as some more information as to why they are a great option for trading account funding. And make sure you stay right onto the end so that you can get some more information on how you can get a chance to win a free trading account challenge of $10,000. You don't want to miss this. Trader Central provides a variety of options for funded trading accounts for traders who struggle with lack of capital. Within the Trader Central ecosystem, there are options for either the monthly or the one-time trading funding. There is the Trader Central Crypto, where you can manage a cryptocurrency portfolio, buying and selling digital currencies from just one place. Trader Central tokens are also another option, which are a virtual currency specifically for Trader Central. You can collect these from performing tasks and they are redeemable for discounts. And finally, Liquidity Prime Badge, which is where that you can apply to start your own prop fund. I'm going to focus on the two different options that are available for trading account funding before sharing an insight into the portal dashboard and some more information on the features that are available within the portal. So as I mentioned earlier, there are two different options available for account funding. There is a monthly pay-as-you-go option, which is a recurring monthly subscription, and there is a one-time fee option to take the trading challenge. Let's look at the monthly option first. With the monthly option, you get access to a live funded trading account whereby you pay a recurring monthly fee subscription to access the live funded trading account. You can get access to the monthly account within 24 hours and there is no requirement to carry out any evaluation. There are three different account sizes available for the monthly account. Firstly, there is the $12,500 which costs 85 Canadian dollars each month. There is the $25,000 which costs 170 Canadian dollars each month. And there is the $50,000 account which costs 345 Canadian dollars per month. Now, all of these accounts do provide the same specifications except for leverage. The two lower accounts have a slightly higher leverage of 1:6, and the $50,000 account size has a slightly lower leverage of 1:3. Let's dive into some specifications on what you actually get with this monthly trading account. So each month lasts for 30 days, and that's what you pay for, is 30 days access to the live trading account. The account runs with MetaTrader 5 and you can trade anytime, 24 hours, 5 days a week, as obviously the markets are closed at the weekend, and you can cancel this at any time. Now, because there isn't a challenge to pass, you don't actually have any set profit targets, but there is, however, a withdrawal target. The withdrawal target each month is 5%, so if you want to make enough to be able to withdraw your profits, you have to hit 5% on a monthly basis. And this works in blocks. So let's say that in month 1 you earn 12%. The most that you can actually withdraw of that will be 10%, which is 2 lots of 5%. And the 2% left over will carry forwards in your account into the next period. Now, there is still a drawdown limit to trade by on your account, and that is 10%. So if any time your equity hits that 10% max drawdown rate, that's it, you will void that trading account. The different markets available to trade include Forex and gold. You can always apply to trade either cryptos or indices, but you have to do that from within your dashboard because you have to sign some extra documents to agree to the terms. The profit share for the monthly account is 60%, so you would receive 60% of the profits and Trader Central will receive 40%, except for the highest account of $50,000, which has a slightly lower profit split of 55%. Overnight and weekend holds are allowed. However, trade copiers and EAs, as well as hedging, are not allowed. The withdrawals of your profits are carried out between the 25th and the 30th of each month, and you can do this from within your client dashboard in the portal. And before we move on, let's just have a look at capital growth, which is an interesting feature available with the monthly trading account option. The option for capital growth is only available if you choose the highest account, the $50,000 account, and there are some stages available for this process. So stage 1 is obviously to start with your $50,000 account. Stage 2 is to hit a 10% target. If you can hit the 10% profit target on that account, and leave it in your account so you're not able to actually withdraw those profits, then Trader Central will effectively double your account size from $50,000 to $100,000. Moving on to stage 3, and the process repeats itself. So if you can create another 10% returns on that account, leaving them within your account, Trader Central will double your account size from $100,000 to $200,000. Once again, the 10% profits cannot be withdrawn from this account, and they are independent from that other 5% withdrawal target that I mentioned before. The final stage of the capital growth is to hit another 10% recurring profits on your account. If you can once again hit that 10% recurring profit on your account, Trader Central will increase your account size from $200,000 to $1 million, whereby you will become a fund manager with Trader Central and you will no longer need to pay the recurring monthly subscription fees. So let's have a little look now at the one-time free trading account option, whereby you pay the fee to take the evaluation, and if you pass, you get access to your live funded trading account. And with this, there are no monthly subscriptions, so if you actually pass and attain your account, that's it, you don't have to pay any further fees. Now with this option, there are actually 6 account sizes available to choose from. So the first account size starts at $5,000 US, and that costs 60 Canadian dollars to purchase that account. There is a $10,000 US account which costs 85 Canadian dollars, a $25,000 US account which costs 170 Canadian dollars, a $50,000 US account which costs 302 Canadian dollars, a $100,000 US account which costs 545 Canadian dollars, and finally a $200,000 US account which costs 905 Canadian dollars. So there's quite a few options there to choose from depending on what your budget and your requirements are. Now there are 2 stages to pass the evaluation to access that live funded trading account. So in stage 1, you have a profit target to reach of 8%, and you have a max equity drawdown of 10% on the account. So if your equity hits 10% at any time down on your account, that will void your account challenge. The trading period lasts for 30 days, and you are required to trade a minimum of 10 trading days in that 30-day period. The leverage is a lot more with the one-time funded options, and that is 1 to 200. And there is also a rule with this account challenge, so you can either choose to have the 5% max daily drawdown on your account. So if your equity hits minus 5% at any point in one day, that will break that rule and void your account. Alternatively, you can choose the 50% positive days rule, so you have to be green for 50% of the days in the challenge. However, if you pass the challenge and you get access to your live funded account, then only the 5% max daily drawdown rule applies. Moving on to stage 2, the profit target is reduced from 8% to 4%, so it makes it a little bit easier to reach those profits to complete stage 2 of the challenge, and the drawdown remains at 10% max drawdown. The trading period for stage 2 is 60 days, and out of those you have to trade a minimum of 10 trading days. The leverage remains the same at 1 to 200, as well as the rule where you can choose between the 5% max daily drawdown or your 50% positive trading days. If you pass both stage 1 and stage 2, effectively passing the evaluation, you will get access to a live funded trading account with Trader Central, and you will be eligible for a 85% profit split. So you get to keep 85% of the profits that you make from your trading. Overnight and weekend holds are allowed with this package. And there are also a range of markets available to trade, including Forex, gold, silver, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Now there is actually a prohibited strategy with this account option, which they refer to as the martingale strategy. This sounds very similar to hedging, where you're already in a trade and then you open another trade in the other direction whilst that original trade is in drawdown. So this strategy is prohibited and you're not allowed to use that whilst doing the one-time free trading account. Is there a refund with the one-time free trading option? Yes, there is. If you pass your evaluation and you gain access to your live funded trading account, you'll receive a reimbursement of what you paid with your first profit split. But what about the spreads? Well, according to Trader Central, they do offer raw spreads, and this is available on the MetaTrader 5 platform, and you can request MetaTrader 4 if you prefer it. Since creating this information video, I have actually accessed my account with Trader Central and thought I would just explore spreads in more detail because I don't always believe what I see on their website. And I just thought I'd just add this quick clip in this video to share that with you guys. So although it says here raw spreads account, when I go into my account with MetaTrader 5, granted it's a demo account because it is the challenge account here, and the market I've been mainly trading is the DAX, the German 30, and as you can see, these spreads are not raw. There is around about 1.5 to 2 pip difference in the spreads for this account, which was a little bit unfortunate, and I was a little bit disappointed in this because obviously, especially when you're scalping, you need to have spreads, especially when it says they are raw spreads. But just looking at some other markets now to compare, and Euro USD, as you can see, does have a much tighter spread here, 26 against 27, although I wouldn't still count that as a raw spread. And Pound USD, now this looks much better. This is 69 with a marginal pip of 5 against 69 with a marginal pip of 8. So that's a much better spread, Pound USD. And I'm recording this about 20 past 10 in the morning from the UK. So I'm not in Asian time. According to their website, these spreads should be raw. New Zealand dollar against the dollar looks pretty good for the spreads. Just have a look at a few more here just to compare. USD CAD, that looks pretty good. USD Swiss, that looks pretty good. USD Yen's not bad, but they are both closed at the moment anyway, those markets. Let's have a look at Euro Swiss. Pound Yen. Pound New Zealand dollar. So as you can see, they're not consistently raw spreads across the different markets. Some are better than others. Pound USD, as you can see, is pretty good spread there, but it really depends on what market you're trading and of course your trading style, because if you're scalping, this can be quite an important factor when it comes to spreads. However, if you're day trading or swing trading, it might not be as important for you. With the one-time fee option, EAs and trade copiers are both allowed as long as they do not use that martingale strategy that I mentioned earlier. Withdrawals with your one-time fee option are the 14th or the 28th of each month, and you can do this from within your portal. Trader Central also provides a capital growth scheme for their one-time trading account options, which is very similar to the monthly option, but it does slightly differ, so let's just have a little look at that now. The capital growth is only available for the higher trading accounts, the $50,000, the $100,000 or the $200,000 accounts. And it is very similar, whereby each month you have to reach a 10% growth on your account without withdrawing any of those profits. Let's use the example of a $100,000 account. So stage 1, you make 10% profits on that account, and Trader Central will effectively double your account size from $100,000 to $200,000. In stage 3, once again, if you create a 10% profit on that account, your account size will be doubled from $200,000 to $400,000. If you can repeat this process again, hitting your 10% target, Trader Central will top up your trading account size from $400,000 to $1 million. This rolls on again. Hitting that 10% profit growth, you can increase your account size from 1 million to 1.5 million. And finally, if you hit that 10% growth again in that period, then you can increase your account size from 1.5 million to a $2 million account, whereby you would become a fund manager with Trader Central and have access to a $2 million account size. So there's quite a bit of information for you on the different funding options that Trader Central have available. Now I'm going to jump onto the computer and share with you an insight into their portal and dashboard. And don't forget to stay until the end so that you can learn how to get a chance to win a free trading account challenge worth $10,000. Okay guys, so here's the website for Trader Central, and the first thing to do to get started is simply to click sign up. Now you don't actually have to pay anything up front when you click that sign up button. You basically create your account and you can access the portal, and then from there you can always select any of the packages if you want to buy any of the funded trading options. Now I've already created my account, so I am going to simply log in. And the first thing that pops up when you actually log into the portal is this little pop-up box here that says, do you want to make 10 times your TCT? And this is a new feature called Portal Wages. So remember I said about the Trader Central tokens, the TCTs, which is the virtual currency that Trader Central use just to add a little bit of fun to the experience. And once you collect those, you can actually use them to place a wager to earn more TCTs, which will then just basically give you more benefits like discounts on their products. So once you land onto the portal, there are a few things that you can see here. In the very top right hand side, you can actually select whether you prefer to have a dark mode or a light mode. So I'm going to leave that on light mode for now. This little icon here, if you're on your phone, it's simply saying to shake your phone to earn some more of those TCTs. And just scrolling down, as you can see here, I don't actually have an active plan as of yet, so I haven't received my account challenge just yet. But once you've signed up to your plan, it will be displayed here and you can find some more information on that. There's also some useful information on the portal, some different news highlights for the different markets. And right at the top here, you can always get back to your home portal page by just clicking this top left hand side button here. The portfolio tab will obviously take you to your portfolio where you can get some more information on your trading metrics. And they also have some social media features as well, so if you do want to share your portfolio with any of your followers just to see how you're getting on, they have that on there too. Within your profile on the top right hand side, you can edit some of your basic information here, and also you can access the different tabs here. So if you want to make any withdrawals of your account, if you have made some profits, if you are able to withdraw those, you can do that from this tab here. It also gives you some more information on what funding option that you've gone with, as well as any further help if you need some more guidance. So as you can see, it's a very user-friendly space where you can see what's going on in your portfolio. You can also manage your withdrawals and do lots of other cool features within their portal. And at the beginning of the video, I did mention the opportunity for your chance to win a 10,000 US dollar account challenge. Now there are 5 available, and I'm going to include a link below in the description, as well as some more information on what you need to do to be able to apply for the chance to win one of these accounts. So do check that out below, and there are only 5 available, so make sure you check that out as soon as possible. If you want any more information on Trader Central, or if you're interested in having a go at the free trial, or maybe even diving straight into one of their account options, I'll include a link below for that as well, where you can get some more information or sign up. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!